Stop me if you've heard this one. You're at your desk, doing your work, and boom! Your computer crashes, you save over a file, or some other mishap makes you lose your data. Hours of work vanished. But what if I told you all that work could be retrieved with just a few clicks? With CrashPlan, it can. Code 42 CrashPlan is our university-wide, cloud-based backup service. Every faculty and staff member can use it to keep their important files safe and minimize the time they spend worrying about data loss. Yeah, cloud-based? University-wide? Just what the heck is this anyway? Let me explain. When you install CrashPlan, it shepherds your files and makes a backup of everything in your user profile. This is stored in an encrypted, off-site server that you can access 24/7. So even if a meteor hits your office or goats eat everybody's internet cables, your data is safe. If you make a change to a file, it's backed up too. In fact, CrashPlan will remember up to 100 versions of individual files, so if you saved over that important Word document once or twice or a dozen times, the original is still available to you. I bet you're waiting for a gotcha. What about storage limits? I only get this on one computer, right? Not to worry. Your CrashPlan backup is unlimited, meaning you can store as much data as you have and more. And you're not limited to one machine. CrashPlan can be installed on up to 4 of your computers, even if we didn't provide them. If it's a computer you use for work, you can back it up with CrashPlan. Your work computer may already have CrashPlan installed, and you can check by looking for the logo in your taskbar. If you don't have it, or you want to install it on another computer, check the links in the description for Mac and Windows installers. And as always, if you're having any trouble getting set up, restoring files, or you just want to chat, OIT is available to help at support.stedwards.edu.